Saturday morning. A bit of drizzle. Looks lovely though, doesn't it? Plenty of swimmers out, looks fairly flat. My mates arrived, so we're off swimming. Right, here we are at the swimming, boys. There's Alex. Alex. Hi. There's the Hoe, the lighthouse, Tinside pool, and it is 10.1 degrees today. Woo.
It always says that, Mark.
I know, it was 10.2 last week, wasn't it?
I didn't believe it. It's colder than that.
I think my thermometer's broken. It's 10.2 again. I'm sure it's colder than that. Woo. That was a nice swim. It's nice and calm again. There's a beautiful oyster catcher there. I'm going to try and get closer to it. So we've just done our swim, about 10 degrees if my thermometer's working, and after about 10 minutes of coming out you get the drop as all the cold blood comes back into your body, so we've just got a bit giddy, and as the euphoria kind of hits coming out after the swim, but it's lovely. Can't wait to the next one.